Hi guys, it's Jennifer. Just doing a really quick video with my Scrap the World swap. It's pretty basic. It's called Swapper's Delight, and it's basically a RAK or Happy Mail inspired swap. So we have groups of 6. Everybody has a number, and then you send your 6 items all with your number. So I'm number 5, so all of my packaging will say 5. And then you get back 1 through 6, so you could do it like, 1 per day or what have you, kind of like RAK or Happy Meal, or like the 12 days of Christmas swap, stuff like that. I was in the Shabby Chic group. I'm not very good at clean and simple whatsoever, so they're all basically the same. They have slightly different papers and flowers, just because I have so much stuff, I don't want to go buy more. So everything's pretty much the same. It's the Prima paper pad, and I just cut different pieces out of each one. So what they are is the base is from Jenofeve Designs, and it's one of her printable kits that you organize, and it comes with, you print it out. It does not come with any of the stuff. I basically used her idea and made my own. So it comes with a cover. This is how it comes, and it comes with pockets. I mean, everything's ready to go for you. So what I did was I took her idea and made my own. My paper pads didn't fit in hers anyway, so I had to buy new paper pads. So I adjusted the sizing to fit the paper pads that I bought. So that being said, and hers also doesn't come with a strip on the front. I wanted to add paper clips, but I wanted it to be nicer than just plain. And I asked my husband what he thought, and adding paper clips on the inside would make it too bulky. So I added a strip to the outside and added these really cute bling clips. I mean, obviously you can add whatever paper clips you're going to use, or you can add a pen or what have you. So I'll just open up one of them. I guess we'll just do whatever's closest. This one looks, so this one has pink. I tried to alternate them a little, pink, and some of them have strips from the other pad if it matched. And then I put a bunch of flowers. They're a combination of Prima flowers, Recollections flowers, some flowers from Amanda Charlesworth. The pearl trim is from Amanda, and this is from, I think, Wild Orchid Crafts or Lavish Laces. And then this is a Recollections leaves. This is some trim I had my stash. This is from Amanda. And I hit everything with gesso, and then I used stickles. I do not use any other glitter glue besides stickles, because it comes off, it clumps up weird. I've tried so many, and stickles is just the only one that works. So anyway, so these are paper clips, to show the trim, and then you open it up, and it's got a mini legal pad for you to jot your notes down. So I thought that would be fun, because everybody is into all the planning and carrying stuff around, and I keep one of these at my desk for when I want to draw out some ideas for projects I'm doing. I like to map stuff out, or a quick grocery list to rip off and give to the kids. So I do have one of these at my own desk I use. And then the bottom, the other side in the pocket, I decided to put, and I made one of these for my husband's grandma for Christmas, and she loved it. Hers was slightly different. She gives greeting cards and note cards for everything, for all her little friends and, everything. So I put 3 sizes in, just depending on what people wanted. So this is, and they're just real plain, with some trim on that one. And I loved these marble cards, and I just added some fussy cut flowers and butterflies. And then this one is cut from the paper pad, and I added flowers to that. And then this bottom piece here is for stamps. So you can just tuck the stamps in right here. They fit perfectly. I put one in, I thought that was the one I put it in. sorry, it is this one. So they fit in there perfectly. So that is the simple, I mean, it's simple to make and really pretty. The decorating and putting all the flowers in the right spot and stuff is all that took some time. But other than that, I think it's a perfect gift because everybody can use a paper pad. And you can take the paper pad out, comes out, it's in a pocket, and replace it. Or take it out if it's too bulky. But then you have your stamps here ready to go. You can put new note cards, envelopes, what have you. So that is my swap, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.